Griddle Clamshell Nightly Cleaning. The product needed is the PRO Hi-Temp Grill and Griddle Cleaner. Tools needed: eye protection, heat-resistant gloves, a griddle scouring pad, holder and squeegee, a grill scraper, paper towels, metal spatula, and a 1/4 cup stainless steel measuring cup. This procedure is to be done nightly. Special note: the product boils on the grilling surface as it begins to work. The vapor is harmless, but the exhaust hood should be on while it is being used. PRO Hi-Temp Grill and Griddle Cleaner can be found in the back of the house. Begin by putting on the heat-resistant gloves and eye protection. Turn the griddle and the clamshell to off position. Raise the clamshell. Using a clean griddle squeegee, remove all debris from the clam Teflon shield. Special note: Teflon sheets do not need to be removed during nightly cleaning. Using the griddle scraper, remove any loose oil and food particles into the gutter. Squeegee the griddle surface into the gutter. Wipe the clamshell and griddle with a damp sanitized towel. Wait about 10 minutes or until the grilling surface is between 300 and 350 Fahrenheit. Using a 1/4 cup stainless steel measuring cup, pour the Hi-Temp Grill and Griddle Cleaner onto the grilling surface only. Do not pour onto the Teflon sheets. With a cleaning griddle scouring pad and holder, use moderate pressure to clean any debris on the grill. Do not use stainless steel scrubber on the grilling surface. After finished cleaning, use a squeegee to remove the liquid to the grill gutter. Push all debris to the catch pan opening. While wearing heat-resistant gloves, wipe the griddle cleaning surface with a damp sanitized towel to remove any remaining residue. Remove the catch pan and discard the debris in the trash. Clean the catch pan, spatula, scraper, griddle squeegee, griddle scouring pad, and holder in the 3-comp sink and return to the grill. After cleaning is completed, apply 2 teaspoons of salad oil and spread evenly using a spatula on the grilling surface.